This is the packaging, very basic with just the mic visible from outside and nothing else. Let's quickly unbox this. So this is what we get inside the box, a 3.5mm cable and the Rode Videomic Go itself. You don't need batteries for this mic as it draws power from the connected device itself, which is a plus point for a lot of people. The mic itself is very lightweight and doesn't take up that much space in your camera bag too. It comes with this 3.5mm cable which is used to connect the mic with the device. Its red color stands out and looks real good. Now coming to the mic itself. This mic comes with this Rode embossed windshield which helps in cancelling the background noise. This is a directional mic, so you can use it for all your interviews as well as conversation shots. It also comes with this Rycote Lyre shock mount which isolates your microphone from all the bumps and vibrations that could otherwise interfere with your sound. You can use this as an on-camera mic or even attach it to your Android smartphone. To connect this to your iPhone, you'll require a 3.5mm adapter from Apple and a mounting rig too. The sound quality is amazing as you'd expect from a Rode mic